Hello friends, welcome back. I am Trilochan. Let's continue with Python series. I always compare the programming to our real life, as we always making decisions in our life to go forward. We decide something if our all conditions satisfied what we want in our life. Similarly, in programming, decision making is required when we want to execute code only if a certain condition is satisfied. Imagine you are developing an application for a school where one use case to print the grade according to their mark what they have scored. If more than 90, then the grade is A+. Similarly, greater than 85, less than 90 is A. 80 to 85 is B, else all are C. Then what will you do? Yes, you are right. We will use the IfElse statement in Python for decision making. In this tutorial, we will discuss to create decisions in a Python program using different form of IfElse statement. In Python, the body of the if statement is indicated by indentation. The body starts with an indentation and the first unindented line marks the end. Python interprets non-zero values as a true and non and zero are interpreted as false. So if you can see here, if true, then print is true, or this statement, the print this is outside of if statement. Okay, so let's print this. Then I will show you how it is done. Then true, and this is outside of the statement. If true, this is statement and this is expression. True is an expression here, and every condition it should be a true or false. That expression should be in a conditional form. Okay, I will show you how to execute the same in the next example. Okay, here the statement is print true. This is within the if statement. Okay, because this is indented. Okay, and this statement, the second statement of this is not inside of this if statement, because this here it is end of indented mark. Okay, so here, so I will always recommend you to use tab to indent your body within any statement like if and else. Okay, so similarly you can execute here true. Instead of true, you can write false. Okay, if you write false, then see what will be the result. Yes, only this outside of the if statement is executed. That means this is only executed because if statement is false, the within the body of if statement will not execute. Okay, so if I comment the second one, here it will know there is no result. Here it is. Okay, let's take this same example, the school grading system. Okay, so if more than 90, then grade is A+, right? So let's write this statement. So if, let's define one mark first. Okay, here is one variable mark equals to 90. Okay, if mark greater than equals to, let's here we can write 95. Mark is 95. If mark is greater than 90, then grade is, here you can print grade is A+, right? Here it is. So this is if statement. Okay, so let's execute this. Here it is. Here condition is mark, this is an expression mark greater than 90, this greater than operator. Okay, the mark is greater than 90, then grade is A plus. Similarly, if the execute the second statement, like we have written, I have told you, like 85 greater than 85 and less than 90. Okay, similarly, so for that you have to execute in this way, like L if. So here else if is like mark is greater than 85, okay, and mark less than equals to 90. Then here you have to mention the colon to elif statement. Okay, here then print same. Let me copy this and print. Here is the grade is A. Okay, similarly we else, that the third statement was 80 to 85 is B. Okay, so similarly let's copy this one. Here it is greater than 80, right, less than equals to 85, then grade is B. Then last statement is if all above statement is not satisfied, else, okay, you can print C. So here it is capital B. Here it is. So let's check one by one. Okay, the first one is grade is A plus because mark is 95. Suppose let's make it 87. Okay, so let's see what will be the result. Here it is, result is grade is A, that means it is between 85 and 90. So this is how you can execute your if else statement in Python. So similarly, if you mark change to suppose 81, okay, so let's see what will be the result here. Guess what is the result? Yes, grade is B. Similarly, if it's below then 80, then suppose 79, so the result will be C. Let's understand nested if statements in Python. We can have a if else statement inside another if else statement. This is called nesting in computer programming. Any number of statements can be nested inside one another. Indentation is the only way to figure out the level of nesting. Okay, they can be get confusing, so they must be avoided unless necessary. Okay, so here if your use case would be like, if you want to write you are the best to the student if your mark is greater than 95. Okay, so here you can do another if statement. You can write here another statement if mark is greater than 95. Okay, so mark, let me make it greater than equals to. Okay, greater than equals to is 95. That means here you can write print you are the best. Okay, if mark is greater than 95, then you are the best. So let's execute it. Here grade is A plus and you are the best. So this is how you can write the nested if else statement. Here you also write else statement. print you are good. Okay, so to execute the else statement, it should be the false. Okay, it's greater than 95, so you have to write here 94. Then let's execute. Here it is, grade is A plus and you are good. Okay, so this is how you can execute your program or code using if else statement in Python. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.